Run the video. God punish poverty. No. Make the video like professional. Yeah, exactly. So this is a house, a restaurant on a pond. So let's watch. I want to show them fish. Make I tell you, Oyibo no get money. Not say they get money, but the economy dey good. Shishi I no get as I dey so. Water better road dey. When they tell us, people are not vote all those old men for Nigeria. They give una 5,000 man to vote. We come for night, come steal this fish. They're going to kill this fish chop. You think they're not going to kill it? Never. This one's very cool. See that one, special fish. Very good for this. Wow. Wow. See that big one? Whoa, zoom it. Wow. I will come for night, but that one I want chop. I will come to that fish in the night. Today. Here is the beans. So I'm gonna measure the beans. I don't need too much beans. So I think this is enough. That's it. The rice. This is another thing I want to let you guys know. You see, to avoid fat, when you eat this kind of things, you know, you fat too much. But to avoid that, you have to, after cooking for a while like this, you take it out and wash and drain out the water, and make sure you wash it thoroughly, then you put it on fire again. So this will reduce the fatness. So I think you got that. So right now I'm gonna take out the beans and wash. by thoroughly washing like this, so you will not gas too much when you eat beans. You see? So a lot of people don't know this. You have to cook the beans for a while, then bring it out, drain out the water. So this will reduce the gassing, you know. So right now, now my rice has been washed. I just need to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of salt also here, and cover them, allow them to steam. I have steamed the rice now, and the base is still boiling. I'm still gonna do what? Remove the water, take the beans, transfer it and mix with this rice. Then I'll make the sauce and mix them together. But before then, hang around. So now the beans is ready. Take the beans and put here. Now we have a dry pot. Add some cooking oil. Remember, this is the oil that I took out from that scrambled egg. I'm going to add more oil right now. I think this will be enough. Doesn't really matter how I cut them. I have to put some onion, I need to add the maggi. This is crayfish. This crayfish don't finish you. I don't know, I will ask that guy when to get another one from that guy. Now I need water to blend it. It's okay.
Always at home, and my sweetheart has gone to be with the Lord. The fridge is not good anymore. This is just a signal that we need to buy a new one. No, that's an expense that we didn't budget for. What did you give her? I checked the first aid box. I gave her the majestic that is in it. That should work. And then Milade, our system is stronger. The soup is not affecting her. All the same, she needs to take lots of water to help the drug flush her system. Okay. It's okay, no need to worry. The drug should be taking effect. I think it is.
Why are we
Please give her the phone, let me talk to her.
My food to ready.
Your mama's baby.
This is what I'm gonna do. Hey, stop. Yeah, now Watch me now, watch me now. What I'm gonna do now is take this. Oh, where can I place this camera? Oh my god. Yeah, let's place the camera over here. Is it working? Yeah, the camera is working. Yeah. So I'll take this. Wow. Yeah, and then I'll transfer to here. Hello, bro. I'm fine. Good morning. Listen. Transfer to this side now. This is what you do. So let's wait. So this is the result you get for cooking, combining rice and beans together. Now I'm going to leave it to steam. Okay? Yeah. Yes. That's it, my guy. That's how to cook rice and beans combined. God bless you for watching this video. I'll see you on my next video. Probably next video. I'm going to take you guys to a lot of noise. Probably I'm going to take you guys to biblical sites. So since the ban has been lifted in Israel, before end of next month, trust me, I'll take you guys to one of the biblical sites you've never seen on TV. God bless you. See you. Now I want to dish out rice. Guys, I want you guys to bear with me. It's not easy to vlog and cook at the same time. I'm doing all this alone. You understand? The fellas, they don't want to be on camera. So I'm trying to see. I'm gonna show you my style of cooking. Undiluted. It's not gonna be easy for me right now. It's one hand. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god, it's not working. Yeah, for the rice, this is the result I got. So right now I'm going to take the stew or whatever I call it. Yeah, it's enough. You see, this is for one fella. Guys, this is how it goes. You see that? This is how it goes. You take out the sauce, or whatever you call it, stew or egg sauce or whatever you eat. Wow, I'm a rich chef, right? Look at the egg scramble with the sauce with tomato. Guys, you don't need to wait for beef before you cook better food. Come on, guys. So
wait, I will stop it.
If you really enjoy this, kindly subscribe to my channel. I'm not a trained chef, but then I use my mind. Welcome to my world. Yeah, enjoy.